First, let's make it so the app remembers that I've logged in. This means persistent user sessions. To do this, Firebase has an onAuth function, which checks for changes in the authentication. So let's take this code right here and copy and paste it in our script tags. I'll put it near the top here, and we'll just clean this up a bit. All right, so this function checks to see if there's any changes in the user, and if there is auth data, it'll log it, or else it'll say that the user is logging out. Here's the declaration of an instance of Firebase, which we can delete because we've already done that. And then we'll have to change this to our instance, which is my data ref. Now, if we save this, we can restart the server and refresh. And here we can see the user, this is the console we asked it to do, is logged in with Facebook, and that's because we've already logged in with Facebook. So now if I try to type something, I still get this pop-up box, which is not what I want. I only want to see it if the user hasn't logged in. So back in our HTML, remember how we told the pop-up to appear if we don't know the user's name? Well, now we have to designate the name variable to something. I recommend console logging all of auth data just to see what you're getting, but I know I can get the user ID by doing auth data.id, and the user's name, I actually don't need to say var, I can just do name here because I've already declared it up here. So I can say name, auth data, and then it'll be the provider and the display name. Now that we've defined the name and we no longer need the user to fill it in themselves, we can just delete this. So I can slash that out. And up here, I can replace this input with the title channels, because I'll be displaying the channels here in the future. So now I can save, restart the server, and refresh. And now when I try to type something, awesome, it has my name and the message. Now this is getting a little messy, and I don't need these messages, so we can go back into our Firebase and just delete everything we have so far and start fresh. Awesome.